Alright, you gotta check this out. My last video was from like 2:30 in the morning, and it's about 12 hours later. Now it's 2:30 in the afternoon here on Wednesday, February 10th. Coincidentally, my mom's birthday. But look, there's the hemp millstones. You can't even see them in the yard now. Remember last night when I filmed there? There's my car across the street there. Like, as you can see, it's really coming down. We got practically blizzard-like conditions. There's where the hemp stones were. You can kind of see, looking down the street, you can't even see. Holy crap. But it's pretty cool anyway. A lot of people haven't shoveled yet. Guess they're just staying in to wait till it's over. But people are still on the roads. Now, sometimes it's nice to take a little walk in the snow though. Alright, I'm gonna head back. Just wanted to update you. I don't know what it's like where you're at, but I hope it's nice and sunny and warm. Hope you're not putting up with this crap. Alright, have a good one.